going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. The new Road Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And we had Bitcoin and crypto take a dump. But guys, we know why. We know what the Fed has to do. 430 million liquidated. And we know crypto drops together, it goes up together. We know it is all manipulated. So guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, we have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. Now we have the largest Indian exchange, Wazir X, follows Binance and delisting USDC. So we see the two sides being created. We know all about the Hegelian dialectic. Guys, it works every time. They do not want the USDC to circulate in the emerging markets. And I'm going to go over that later. We definitely hear the drums are beating. And then, of course, guys, we have the Fed. We know this week they're going to raise the rates. Do not forget to look at the repo. We had Biden say inflation is not that bad. Also, the C word is over. And we know he's playing the tunes for midterms. But, guys, we know we're going to go up at least 75 basis points. And then also the Bank of England is going to go up 75 basis points. So they definitely tried to price in a lot of it. But I definitely see us pulling back a little more after Jerome Powell's speech. We know when Jerome is in the house, they like the markets to look decent. So all the attention is off the Fed. That's how we know a big distraction is on its way. The Fed is not going to tell you they took your money. But like I stated, the beginning of October, starting on probably the 5th or 6th, I definitely see us moving up. Towards the end of October, we dump because we know the Fed meets again at the beginning of November and then plus December. But the thing about it is, guys, holidays are going to be here. People are distracted. And we know the media is going to be all focused on midterms. Again, another distraction. And we know stocks always crash the first quarter of the year. And then plus, guys, these corporations are going to be taking a 15% tax. So we already know that's going to be passed over to consumer. mass layoffs are going to hit over the next 2 years. The fall of this global legacy economy and the rise of the digital economy, the fourth industrial revolution, where the robots, algorithms, and drones take over the economy, pay each other with crypto, and the sheep go inside the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now, guys, we have Grayscale, which sold a little on Friday. Make sure you're paying attention to their allocations. But getting over into a little crypto news, we have Engine in my metaverse implements NFTs in its Minecraft and GTA 5 servers. And guys, we know NFTs are nothing but digital identity, whether it's for you or any type of property right. And then lastly, guys, we have Australian Senator drafts a bill aimed at stable coins and digital yuan regulation. And like I've told you time and time again, the digital yuan is going to be the new world reserve currency. You're not drafting up regulation for the digital yuan unless you plan on using it. And we know also the Chinese yuan is embedded in Canada. And eventually these digital yuans are going to be placed on exchanges, crypto exchanges. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The new stock channel. Please make sure you go like, subscribe, spread it everywhere. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the C-Rate, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.